Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Appy bot on Discord. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to add fun interactions, games and utilities to your Discord server, setting up Appy bot is a great choice. So, in order to set up Appy bot on Discord, you have to follow these steps. So first of all, what you need to do to just add this Appy bot on your Discord server, you are going to open any browser in your system and then you need to type into the search box for top.gg. Once you see this website, which is Discord bots, you just need to click on this link to open the website. Once the website has been loaded, you are going to type into the search box of this website for Appy bot. Once you search for this Appy bot, scroll down and you will be able to see here the original Appy bot for Discord. If you click on view, you will be taken to this page. To add this bot on your Discord server, you need to click on invite on this Appy bot. Once you click on invite, another page will be loaded up and it will ask you to log into your Discord account on this browser if you are not previously logged into Discord from your browser. After that, simply scroll down and click on authorize button. It will redirect you to this page. Here it will just ask you on which server you need to add this bot. If I need to add this bot on this server, I'm going to click on invite on this server. Once I click on invite, it will again ask me to select the server and I'm again selecting the same server, which is this one, and then click on continue. After that, you need to click on authorize. Once you click on authorize, you will be able to fill up a captcha over here. After you fill that captcha, the Appy bot will be added to your Discord server. If you go to your Discord through your browser, or if you have this application and you go to the server where you just added the bot, you will be able to see here that Appy just showed up. This bot is basically used for members to apply for different roles of the server. For this, you are going to create an application for those members using this Appy bot, but you need to create that application through the Appy bot website. If you go back to your browser to the same page, you will be able to see configure instead of invite on your Discord server name. You just need to click on configure, and on this page, you need to click on application from the top of the screen. Once you click on application, you need to click on new application to create an application for members to apply for new roles. First of all, you need to type in the name for the new application, like if I just type in sample staff and then click on create application. After that, the application will be created successfully. You just need to click on the name of this application to make changes in it. First of all, if you do not have those roles on your Discord server, you are going to create them. For this, go back to your Discord and after that click here to the name of this Discord server. After that, you need to click on server settings. Then from the left side of the screen, you need to click on roles. Once you click on roles, you will be able to create your new roles. Once you create the roles, you can just directly promote anyone to this role by clicking on their name. For now, we are going to create an application for the staff role. For this, we are going to go back to the website. Here, first of all, scroll down and what you need to do is you are going to select a role over here from this accepted roles, which says the roles an applicant will be given when their application is accepted. I'm going to select staff role over here. So if a person's application is accepted, the staff role will be given to that member. If you scroll down to the very bottom of your screen, you will be able to see here the questions on the basis of which the roles will be given. By default, there are 2 questions, but if you want to create some more questions, you can just click over here or you can just edit these existing questions over here. Like I'm typing in this, and as you know, I currently have 2 questions over here. Once you have just completed your application, you need to click on save over here. But first of all, you must select a channel over here. I'm going to select a channel over here, and after that I can click on save to save this application. Here you can see that the application has been successfully saved. If somebody just wants to apply for this role, what they are going to do is they are going to type into the message box /apply, and once they select this apply over here, they are also going to select the application. As you know, we only have one application with the staff role. They are going to select sample staff and then hit enter. After that, the Appy bot will send them a direct message. If we go to direct messages, it's going to ask the questions which we just wrote on our application. First of all, it's asking if you are sure if you want to apply, so I'm going to click on Start Application. After that, it's going to ask the first question which I entered, and anyone can give any answer. For the second question, it has multiple choice answers, so I'm going to select any answer over here. If we go back to our server, we will be able to see here that this person applied for this role. I can just accept or deny it over here. If I just accept it, you will be able to see that the application status is updated and this user has been promoted to staff, and that's it. So that's basically how you can set up AppyBot on Discord. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.